my name is Lorena from VITO in Germany, and I'm very happy to see you and to show you our oil filtration, our oil testing device that comes along with our oil filtration system. This is a very useful tool to easily measure the quality of your oil, to find out how the quality is, so you know exactly when it is the right time to change it. You simply place it inside the hot oil in your deep fryer, steer it around, and now you can see it is blinking on top red, which means that now it would be the right time to change the oil. It works with the traffic light system, green, yellow and red. When it's green it's like fresh oil, yellow means well used, and red, then you know it's the right time to change the oil. After usage you simply wipe it off with a soft towel or cloth, and that's it. Very easy usage and helps you a lot with the oil quality and to maintain your standards.